Hello viewers, I'm here to show you all the current updates of ongoing construction of Olasi Bridge by Anambra State Governor under Governor Soludo, who initiated the project. As you can see, this from the express, we can see they've filled the main road, the major road, they've filled it. So let me take you down where they are constructing the bridge for you all to see the progress of work going on. They are hanging the beams now. This is a dual bridge. The construction company handling the road project and the bridge is a Ferritex construction firm. So the bridge is at its final stage of completion. They are hanging the beams and also placing the slabs. So I will take you around the project for you to see. I also covered the road from Newi to Okija. You can see the remaining beams, about 5 of them that is still remaining for them to hang. So after then, they are placing the slabs also at the same time. I will take you around for you to see what is going on. This is the effort the governor is making to connect the ongoing dualization of Newi Orifite Okija to Onichowere Road here. I'll also show you the drone view for you to be able to understand where the project will terminate. You can see the old bridges. The first one has collapsed. The next one is a small bridge, so they are constructing a bigger one. And see how solid the bridge is. So be patient to watch the full coverage. By tomorrow, I will show you all the road projects, the ongoing dualization of Newi Orifite Okija Road for you to see where the construction company is. Watch the rest of the video.